Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to check WhatsApp live location. So open the WhatsApp and go to the person chat list that you want to share your live location, and you just need to tap on this attachment icon, which the left side of your camera icon, and from here select the location icon, and in here select the option continue, and here it will find out this option share live location. Tap on this option and tap on this continue option, and it will show you the time that what's the time you want to share the location: 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 8 hours. You can choose any of them, and you can also give a comment in here and simply send it. So as you can see, now the person can see your live location, and whenever you want to stop this live location, you just need to simply tap on this stop sharing option. So if you want to see someone else live location, the person also need to do the same process, and this is how we can see others live location. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment box if you have any confusion, and keep in touch with us.